Hello students, in today's part we are going to see the solutions or the answers which different people from the kingdom of that king came and they gave different answers to the king. Before going further, I would like to repeat the three questions, okay, because these three questions are very important in this lesson. What were these three questions? These three questions were: what is the right time, what who are the right people, and what is the right thing to do. Now these were the three important questions that we need to means we need to get the answer, or the key, even the king wanted to get the answer. Okay, so as we discussed yesterday, king asked his courtiers. When the courtiers did not get the answer, king gave orders to the courtiers to give the proclamation in his kingdom, and the thing was done. And then what happened? Many people from all over his kingdom, many wise people, we can say many scholars came, and the learned people, intelligent people, those who think that they were intelligent, all people started coming to the court. What was the reason behind that? The reason was king declared that those who will give the correct answer of these three questions will get a handsome reward. And that was the reason many people came to the king. And it is very obvious. Now different people will come, so obviously answers will also be different. So let us see what were the answers of that three questions. Let us discuss about the answer of the first question. Okay, now I am on page number 83. We are on the same page now. In reply to the as I told you already, when I will read, you will have to keep your finger, okay, along with me. You also have to read this. In reply to the first question, some said king must prepare a timetable and then follow it strictly. Only in this way, he said, could he do everything at this proper time. Others said it was impossible to decide in advance the right thing for doing something. The king should notice all that was going on, avoid foolish pleasures, and always do whatever seemed necessary at that time. Now so many answers are there, so let us discuss these answers one by one. Okay, some people came in the court, and what they suggested to the king, they said, oh my lord, for getting right, or for getting the answer of the right time, what is the right time, what you should do? So you should prepare a proper timetable. What you should do? You should prepare a proper timetable, and then you should strictly follow that timetable. Now see, it is even your teachers, your parents, your elders also all the time they tell you that there must be a timetable for everything, there must be planning for everything. Okay, if we have planning in life, we definitely get success. The same suggestion was given to the king also. Some people came and they said, prepare a timetable and strictly follow that timetable, definitely you will come to know what is the right time. Okay, then some came and some said that see, oh my lord, how it is possible to know the right time in advance? That means in future what will be the right time, how it is possible to know what is the right time? It is not possible. Okay, and that is why some suggested that you should do one thing, because it is not possible ki we will come to know about the right time in future only. Right time of the future in present only. It is not possible, and that's why what he should do, he should keep an eye, okay, or he should notice each and everything, small things, and he should keep an eye on these things and should do the thing at the right time. Whenever he feel ki now this is the right time to do this thing, he should do that thing at that time. This is the solution of the first question, someone said. Someone again said, see, it is really difficult, and that is why king should not be leisurely take, or should not take it lightly, and should not listen someone, and should not think that this is the right time. Means don't get confused. What you want, the king should notice all that. Okay, avoid foolish pleasures means what? And always do whatever seem necessary at that time. So he said, don't listen to anyone, you yourself keep an eye on the things, and when you will feel that this is the right time, strike the thing, means do the thing at that time. Okay, this may be the answer of the first question, someone said that. Then again some other people came. That other people gave him some another answers. What were the other answers? Let us see. Some others said that the king needed a council of wise men who would help him in act at the proper time. This was because one man would find it impossible to decide correctly without help of others the right time for every action. Some people came in the court and they said, "Oh my lord, how it is possible that if you want to know the right time of how one person can decide what is the right time, and for that you must have a council of people, you must have council means number of people, advisory bodies, because for one person it is really difficult to decide what is right, what is right time, and that is because so many things are there, and for everything what is the right time, how it is possible for one man to decide. And that is what you should do. So you should keep one council, understood? You should keep one council, and that council will keep the things with means they will notice the things, okay, and then they will, after that discussion, they will tell you ki for war this is the right time, for business this is the right time, for trading this is the right time, for this is the right time. In that way they can tell you. This was the third answer. Third means different peoples were coming and they were giving answers in that way. Some other also came, and what they said that there were something which could be urgent. This thing could not wait for the decision of other councils. But some people were giving some answers and some other people were exactly opposite of that view. And it happens that if I feel that this is good, so someone feels that no, this is not good, this may be another thing may be good. So the contradictions were also there. When some people suggested that you must keep an council, so some people came and they said, how it is possible that council can tell you the right time? Because what council will do, council will sit, they will think on that, they will take decision on that, then they will tell you. But there are certain things, there are few things are there in which you have to take the decision instantly. And for such decisions, for such instant decision, if you will wait for their advice, then you cannot work, you cannot get the right answer, right? You cannot catch the right time, and that is why this will not work. In order to decide the right time for doing something, it is necessary to look into the future, and only magician can do that. Some people were very some wise people also came and they gave very odd answers. Some came and they said what you should do, because if you want to know the things in the future, nobody is, for a human being, a normal human being, it is not possible to tell what is the right time of the future. Only magicians can do that. And what you should do, you should contact the magician for that. The king therefore would have go to the magician, and that is why he should contact the magician. These were the different answer. Okay, so these were the answer for the first question. Now some answer for second questions are also given here. See, I am on page number 84 now. In their answer to the second question, some said the people most necessary to the king were the councillors. Now, what was the second question? First of all, the second question was, who are the most important people for the king, or any person, not king, any person, who are the most important people? So some people came and they said, oh my lord, you are a king, and a councillor is very important, because councillors have a good knowledge of the things, they decide the things, okay, the intellectual peoples, and they can give you the right decision. That's why councillors are the right people for you. And someone said, see, finally we after death, after death we have to go to the god, and actually in real everything decides by the god, and that is why, and who is the right who is the most who is the person who is very near to the god? So they are the priest, and that is why you should contact the priest. The priests are the most important people for you. Few others came and they said, see, our health is the most important thing. If health is there, then wealth is there. Health is wealth. We have we know that saying. And that is why you must focus on your health, and for a healthy person a doctor is the most important person. And that is why, who is the most important person in your life? It is the doctor who is most important person in your life. And that is why believe on the doctor. Some others said they and yet others said that the soldiers were the most necessary to them. Some people came and they said, oh my lord, you are king, there is possibility of attack anytime, right? And for a king who is the most important person rather than his army or his soldiers are the most important people. And don't think that a doctor or a priest or a magician or a what is that counselor will give you the are the most important, because when you will fight with the enemy, these soldiers save your life. And that is why soldiers are the most important people in your life. Okay, so this was the answer for the second question. Now some people came for the answer of the third question. What was the third question? The third question was, what is the right thing to do? Some people came and they said science is the most important thing, because for a rational person science is the most important thing, so you should we should follow the science. Some came and they said choose fighting, and yet others religion and worship. Some people came and they said you are king. For a king, what is most important thing? Fighting, war. So battlefield is your most important thing to do. And some people came and they said finally we have to go to the God's adore. And that's what thing you should do. You should spend your time in doing religious work. Okay, so in that way different people came and different people were going on giving different answers. Now let us see what answer king like. Okay, so let us stop here. We'll continue in tomorrow's video. Okay, thank you very much. Have a nice day.